Hello, my name is Carissa and I'm a student at the Markstay-Warren Public Library. Today, I'll be showing you a how-to on teen health and wellness. So, to start off, we're going to need to type in our Markstay-Warren Public Library into the Google search bar. Once we're here, we're going to want to scroll down and click on the first link. This will bring us to our library homepage. Now that we're here, we're going to click on Online Resources on the left-hand side. Now we're on Online Resources, we're going to click on the Health and Wellness tab. Then we're going to click on the Teen Health link. This will bring us directly to their website. Now that we're on the Teen Health website, you're going to see much information. The Teen Health and Wellness website lets you gather information on general teen health and wellness. The Teen Health and Wellness website gives you hotlines, it will give you calm rooms, it will also give you many informations like glossary, and it will give you all the information needed for teens of all ages. You will be able to tell your story and you're going to be able to see stories of other teens that may be struggling with the same problems that you are struggling with. You're also able to learn body basics, anywhere from diversity to family life, to grief, loss, mind, mood, body, safety, nutrition and fitness, all the way to sexuality and everything else that a teen would need. You're also able to search and browse by subject and from A to Z. On the website, you are also able to browse and search by different topics using the search bar on the right-hand top side. In the Get Informed section, you are able to learn about coping and loneliness. There are more videos, and you can also submit your own videos to help other teens. In the Tell Your Story, you are able to read Annie's story. You can also share your own story and read other stories as well. In Dr. Jan's Corner, you can read Dr. Jan's answers to certain questions. You can ask a question as well. In the news section, you can read about articles. You can learn more about ways you can help your community. As well, you can see previous news stories. In the Did You Know section, you can learn about opioid abuse. You can also learn about previous and interesting or fun facts. Right above the Did You Know, there's also a Cast Your Vote section. In the Cast Your Vote section, you are able to answer specific questions that the Teen Health and Wellness website uses to gather information and to keep their website as updated as possible. This ensures that their website has enough information, enough positive information to spread to young teens across Canada and the United States. That concludes our how-to on teen health and wellness. If you have any more questions about teen health and wellness or any of our other online resources, feel free to contact the library via our email or by telephone at 705-599-2665 or 705-599-3009. Thank you so much for watching our video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.